We go back to an earlier story now, where more than half of Jamaicans believe that the states of public emergency have been effective in the fight against crime, according to the latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
January 2018 saw the beginning of a new trend for SOEs in Jamaica.
A state of public emergency is now in effect for the parish of St. James.
After over 300 people were killed in St. James in 2017, the Andrew Holness administration started using the SOEs as part of the crime-fighting strategy, giving the security forces extraordinary powers to, for example, search places without a warrant. SOEs were later declared in the police divisions of St. Catherine, Kingston West Central and East, St. Andrew South, as well as the parishes of Hanover, Westmoreland and Clarendon. Cue the long lines at security checkpoints and heated parliamentary debates when SOEs were to be extended. But how do citizens feel about the effectiveness of the SOEs? Pollster Don Anderson put the question to 1,113 people during the July 16 to 26 period. 53% of those interviewed said SOEs were effective against crime. 39% disagreed and 8% not sure.
We did an analysis of who were the persons who were contributing to this kind of position. It is interesting to note that 49% of the people who say they're going to vote for the People's National Party agree. 49%. So it is, if you wish, bipartisan.
And which parishes mostly favored the states of emergency? Mr. Anderson assessed the data for those who agreed.
When you looked across the parishes, however, which is important because, of course, they were applied in different parishes, okay? What did we find? St. James, 84% in St. James and 71% in Westmoreland are the outliers in terms of the numbers of persons who agree that the states of emergency are effective tools in the fight against crime. Those are the outliers. Okay?
And that is perhaps based on their situation on the ground?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's a relationship with what is happening on the ground in those particular parishes. In Portland, which records the lowest incidence of crime, 31% see it as an effective tool. It's not a factor in their minds on a day-to-day basis.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.